guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cracking my back again. I had a fan requesting me to do a different way to crack my back where they could see it better. Because on my last video when I cracked my back, it was on my bed and it wasn't really that good. This time I'm doing it in my living room on my sofa. So you guys should see it good. You guys can see my face good and you guys can see my back good. So yeah. I could just... Yeah, okay guys. Okay guys, the first way to crack your back is you actually need to get up this way and you could just like twist and go like that, twist. Ouch! I actually cracked my back. Ouch! Ow! That hurt because my stomach hurts right now, but it's okay. Okay, now you guys could just go to the edge and then put your arm like this. You guys can see. Put your arm like this and just leave your position. Put like your leg in front and then just put as much pressure. And then it will crack and then just do the same. Then just do the same to the other side. I can't really do it that good because you put it right there. I can't do it. And then you just move your leg. So first my leg was like this. Now I moved it like that. And then my arm is like that. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. And now you need to get up for this one too, but you can just be on your knees if you want. So yeah. We're gonna come to the side so you guys can see it. You guys can hold your back and then go as far as you can. I'm almost like Sophie Dawsey because I'm really flexible. So go as far as you can. I can go super far. I need to get here and just grab your feet. Wow, that actually felt good. Yeah, I can actually crack my fingers too. Can't crack it right now. I already cracked my fingers. Ooh, I cracked it. There we go. Okay, so my other way is to move. I'm gonna be doing like mostly the same way. So okay, so you're gonna try to get. Oh my gosh, I can't do it. Okay, you could get your leg from the back like this and pull it. Ooh, and pull it out and pull it in front. Oh my gosh, that hurt really bad. And then just, but I don't care. I could do anything for you guys. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. And if I get this video to 59, and if I get this video to 2,000 likes, I'll make a video of me cracking my fingers. And you guys know that my mom told me not to crack this finger. Yeah, I'll do that too. And I hate that game so much. Let me do it right now. My mom told me not to crack this finger. Pinky. My mom told me not to crack this finger. Dang it, I messed up. My mom told me not. The point of that game is the last finger is supposed to be your middle finger. So you put every other finger down, but your middle finger stays up. That's the point of the game. So let me try again. My mom told me not to crack this finger. Pinky. My mom told me not to crack this finger. My mom told me not to crack this finger. Thumb this time. My mom told me not to crack this finger. My mom told me not to crack this finger. Oh, my mom told me not to crack this finger. Dang it! Wait, actually, I had to put... Oh my god! Okay, I might cut that off. So yeah. I'm gonna cut that off. Sorry, guys. No, I won't cut that off. I want to break it. Did you guys hear that? I was like, I want to break it. Ah! I'm trying to crack my pinky. I don't really crack my pinky often, but let me see. Oh, that hurt. Okay. You guys can also do this. Go as far as you can. Also move your neck. Oh, I actually cracked my shoulder. Like the shoulder. Like, I cracked like this part. Not that part. Like, I cracked somewhere over here. I think I cracked somewhere there. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that helped you guys. I hope that helped you guys with your questions. So, guys, don't be scared to ask your questions. And don't be scared to tell me something. So, yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe. If I get this video to 2,000 likes, if I get this video to 2,000 likes and 99 views, I will make a video of me cracking my fingers. Bye, guys. Crack you on later.